Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope that you are all fine. I am Teacher Ala and I will start a new math period with you on today, Wednesday, April 1, 2020. Our lesson for today is about length in kilometers and meters. And our objective for today is to know the relationship between kilometers and meters. Look at these two pictures and tell me, have you ever seen these signs before? And what are they used for? Read what is written in these signs. Arostak 64 kilometers. Muscat 103 kilometers. What do we mean by this? We see these signs when we are riding or driving the car and on our way to home or school or somewhere else. So these signs are used to tell us the distance between two different places. You remember that we use the 1 centimeter unit to measure smaller objects like the pencil, the sharpener, and so on. To measure the length of longer objects, we use the 1 meter unit. And remember that each 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. Now, to measure the distance between two places, or to measure the length of the road, none of the previous units can be used because they are very small. So, the scientist invented a unit called the kilometer. Kilometer is written as km, and each 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So, we have 1 centimeter, 1 meter, which equal 100 centimeter, and 1 kilometer, which equal 1,000 meters. This map shows to you examples on why each unit is used. You can measure the thickness of your finger using the centimeter unit. But centimeter is not the suitable unit to measure the door width, so we have to use the meter. Now, to walk a distance in your car from one place to another, none of the previous units, centimeter and meter, will be suitable to measure this distance, so we use the kilometer unit. Now let's take a look at these pictures together and circle the proper unit for each of the following. What is the proper unit that we can use to find the distance between two continents? Continents are so far from each other, so centimeter and meter will not be proper units to measure the distance, so we have to use the kilometer unit. Also, to measure the distance of a marathon race, neither centimeter nor meter will be proper unit to measure this distance. We have to use the kilometer unit. To measure the length of a baby feet, the meter and the kilometer units are very big, so we have to use the centimeter unit. Dolphin is a long animal, but not as long as the distance between two rods. So we can't use the kilometer to measure its length. And it's not that short to use the centimeter unit to measure its length. So we use the meter. Now take a look at the other pictures and try to find the proper unit for each of them. Excellent. For the width of the towel, we have to use the centimeter. For the length of the sailboat, we will use the meter. For the size of the frying pan, we have to use the centimeter. And to measure the length of golf course, kilometer is the proper unit. And to measure the height of the door, meter is the proper unit. Now open your workbook, page 58, and fill in the blanks with kilometer, meter, or centimeter. A. An elephant is 9 meter, kilometer, or centimeter long. Excellent. The answer is meter. B. A flea can jump 25 kilometer or meter or centimeter. A flea is a type of insects, so it will jump 25 centimeters. C. A mountain is 7 kilometers or meters or centimeters tall. Since the mountain is very big and high, then it will be 7 kilometers tall. D. A wall painting is 300 kilometer or meter or centimeter. Excellent. The answer is centimeter. Question number 2. The table below shows the distances some pupils ran. Read the table and answer the following questions. Which pupil ran a distance greater than 1 kilometer? There are 3 pupils who ran a distance greater than 1 kilometer. Benny, Charles, and Fred. So the answer is Benny, Charles, and Fred. B. Who ran a distance just 1 meter less than 1 kilometer? Remember that each 1 kilometer equal 1,000 meter. So 1 meter less than the 1,000 is 999. Now, which pupil ran 999 meters? Excellent. The answer is David. In the last question, you have to tell who ran the furthest. The one who ran the furthest is the one who has the greatest distance. So the answer for C is Fred, because he ran 1 kilometer and 200 meters, and this is the greatest distance. In question number 3, you have to color the side that shows the smaller length. Which one of the following shows the smaller length? Excellent. 2 kilometers, 200 meters shows the smaller length. Now, look at B. 8 kilometers, 890 meters, or 8 kilometers, 98 meters. You can notice that both lengths have the same kilometer long, 8 kilometers. So we have to look at the length of the meters. 890 or 98. Excellent. 98 is smaller than 890. So 8 kilometers, 98 meters is smaller than 8 kilometers, 890 meters. And now, my dear students, we ended our math period for today. Your homework is page 59 in the workbook. I am waiting for you to share your answers with me. Hope to see you soon. See you next time, and goodbye.